Welcome back. Today we are working on Chanelle and Damien's camper. Chanelle and Damien from the current place own a VW Crafter van. They've been working with Brent from Custom 805 to build the interior of the van, but they needed our help to do the electrics. First job on the list was to install some lights. We didn't want to remove the beautiful existing ceiling lining to install the lights, so we had to use a technique called fishing to run the wires through the existing ceiling. First, we had to drill the holes for the light fittings. Jason drills a hole for the wires to terminate in this electrical cabinet so we can thread all the wires back to this cabinet. We used a long length of number 8 wire with a loop on the end to push through the ceiling to where the light fitting would be installed. We attached a long length of paracord to the loop of wire and fed that through until we were ready to feed the electrical wires through. Next, we tied and taped the end of the wire for each light to the end of the paracord and carefully fed each wire through.
Come off.
We fed all the wires back to the electrical cabinet until they were all threaded through.
This fun of what?
So much fun. This is going to go through. Jason used double-sided tape and screwed each LED light into position. We attached them to the battery and turned them on. With the front lights done, we need to work on the lights above the bed next.